we're going to go a little bit of understanding. So, if you remember, in the morning, Swamiji talked about how knower, the process of knowing and the know, right? Now we're going to go a little bit in terms of the science and how it's going to, how it connects with our brain and our performance, and why there needs to be an education regarding consciousness. I mean, it's not just about theoretical knowledge of consciousness, but an experiential aspect of consciousness, that one experiences consciousness every day. So, I'm going to get started with some of the slides. In the meanwhile, as Rohitji's, we are getting prepared in demonstration. Let me quickly prepare everyone about what consciousness-based education is. We've had some discussion about consciousness, but I'll just quickly. Consciousness, the word basically has many connotations, but the general idea is the awareness. Am I conscious of your presence there? That value of this ability of being conscious is the consciousness. Now, there needs, in every person, I mean, here we are talking about student and teacher, but every person is a student and teacher in this modern age, because you have to learn everything, every day, something new. A new technology, a new way of doing things arise every moment. So, this consciousness-based education, the education which has its basis in consciousness, is a scientific way. It's a scientific process to develop the full potential of the brain. The brain, now we're going to see how you start to say full potential of the brain, and we're going to start this discussion of how much potential of the brain are we actually in use of and what's actually going on. But that's what our endeavor is. This is what we're aiming to do. Now, Swamiji also discussed about unified field. If there are any theoretical physicists, they have seen this kind of diagram that there's a lot of discoveries in this area, that how gravitation and all the fields and particles are all being unified at theoretical level. That all of this together, some way, they are all coming together as one field. Mathematically, it is very well proved. Everyone believes that there is such a thing. I mean, obviously, you can't experimentally test it because you need. I asked, I think they said you need a particle accelerator the size of the solar system or something to see it. But the fact is that there is something. No one disagrees with this. But what do you do with this? Fascinating thing about it is that the laws of physics brings this here, whereas our consciousness, our mind, our ability to go to that deeper level of thinking, takes us to that field from normal thinking level to that deep level from where all thoughts emerge. Now, how do you do this? On an everyday, we are thinking, this is our classical physics level. Then we go deeper, analyze, the much more deeper level of our mind, which is a quantum mechanical level. Even more deeper is the theory of unified field, and that's that deep level where the unified field exists. And this unified field, I mean, as I said, scientifically, all theoretical physicists agree about it.